Hello and welcome to this video that's looking at a model answer for the Sources of Wisdom and Authority unit. And we're looking at a C question, which is asking us to explain 2 reasons why Jesus is an important source of authority for Catholics today. That just means, why is Jesus important? Why is he useful to Catholics? What influence does he have on their lives? And in our answer, we must refer to a source of authority. So we must refer to a quote or some evidence, and it's worth 5 marks. Now, the first thing I'm looking for here is, because it's asking for 2 reasons, I want 2 paragraphs. The examiner wants to see 2 separate paragraphs. So here I've got 2 clear points that are set out nicely separate from each other. So the first point says, one reason, nice and clear, one reason why Jesus is an important source of authority is because Catholics believe that Jesus is God incarnate. This means God made flesh. I get 1 mark for that. That's my point. I've used some really nice religious vocabulary and I've explained what that means. The Bible states that Jesus is fully God and fully human, from John's Gospel. So there's my source of authority, my quote, my evidence. And it's a relevant piece of evidence. It's not a random quote, it's relevant. So the Bible states that Jesus is fully God, fully human. Therefore, he is the perfect example to follow, as his actions show us clearly how God wants us to behave. There, I've got my point, I've got my evidence, and then I've got my explanation that links nicely back to the question. So that first paragraph gives me 3 marks. The second reason why Jesus is an important source of authority for Catholics is because of the many parables he told, which can be easily applied to our lives today. I don't need another source of authority here because I've already got one in my first paragraph. So all I need to do here to get my final marks, I've got 4 now, is to explain that a little bit more. So because of the many parables he told, for example, the parable of the sheep and the goats teaches us to always help those in need. That gives me my final mark. So I get 2 for that paragraph, which gives me 5 out of 5.